I'm extremely excited to be showing you this absolutely fabulous and large detached home on the outskirts of Leamington. There's lots of space, we've got this big in and out drive, there's scope for an annex inside the house with a bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and at the rear we've got the most delightful and generous rear garden. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the generous rear garden of this amazing home. It really is beautiful. There's so much space. You're just a short drive into Leamington town centre, yet you've got the open countryside in the distance. There's lots of space to entertain family and friends. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.